Ian Wilson, 1963 Zeta, made here in South Australia, a Lightburn Zeta. Well, Lightburn started immediately after the war, and they made all sorts of things. They were the first ball bearing manufacturer in Australia. They made jacks for cars, but they were famous for their washing machines. Almost all the military had Lightburn washing machines, in a time when our weekly pay was about £10 a week, and a washing machine then was £139. That's a lot of money, isn't it? Anyway, so they started making cars. Harold Lightburn had wanted to make cars for years, and he got the design for this locally designed. Nobody lays claim to it. They didn't sell too many of these. They use a proprietary 324cc Villers motor. They made about 320. They came up with about 30 of the last ones. They smoothed the fins out of it and made it more conventional looking, but it was too late, too little, too late. Also, the price of these cars, the Mini, by the time this was released, the Mini was already on the books and selling, and these were only £30 cheaper than a Mini. So the Mini, you got a really, well, it wasn't conventional, but a really amazing car. So the survival rate's been quite good, though. They've managed to survive being fiberglass. Chassis and that have metal, and they've all rusted out, but able to be fixed pretty easily.